Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anca and I do art and illustration related videos and sometimes tattoo related videos. So if you're into that, make sure you subscribe and check out other videos on my channel. In today's video, I will be attempting to do a Lady Gaga full body portrait in a kind of illustration style with a bit of realistic hints to it. So for this tattoo practice, I'm using fake skin from Real Skins. The tattoo machine I have is a Cheyenne Sol Nova Unlimited with 4.0 millimeter stroke. As for the needles, I will be using a free round liner and a 7 round magnum. The free round liner is basically for shading in small areas and for the line work, and the magnum is for shading in larger areas and packing in some black. The ink I'm using is from Dynamic Ink. I will be using a bit of red as well at the end, but it's mostly black. I started off by doing the darker areas first, and from there I kind of go with mid-tones. I try to plan out where the negative space is and not fill that area. It was a bit of a struggle for me to do this project, mainly because I haven't done such complex pieces. I'm getting ready to tattoo it on real skin this weekend, so I really wanted to practice this piece and see how it works and see how I will approach the illustration on real skin. Regarding voltage, because I know some of you will ask, I usually fluctuate between 6 volts and 9 volts. I use 9 volts to line. Somewhere in the middle, I would say at around 7.5, I used to pack color, and the 6 volts is when I do shading and stipple shading. So this is very relative and it really depends on your hand speed and how fast you want to pull a line. It's all about practice and experimentation and trying to figure out what works best for you. I still like to fiddle around with the voltage while I work, just to know if I'm getting the best results that I possibly can. As for my tattoo journey so far, it's been going pretty good. This weekend I have 13 tattoos to do. I hope I will get to finish them all and I will share them with you once they are done. But I was really lucky to get this client who wants tattoos that are very up my alley and subjects I really like, so that's a plus. And as for this month, I have appointments almost every weekend. Unfortunately, people like to get tattooed in weekend because they are more free, and that means that I have to work in weekends, but I'm not complaining at all. It's just a different lifestyle I am getting used to. In the last couple of weeks, I have done really small tattoos. I will share some on the screen so you can see them. But yeah, I am really excited to do some more in the future. And I'm really excited about the projects that I have coming up. I just started a huge project of reworking an older tattoo. I will share a picture with the before and after. We had our first session. It will probably take me around 3 to 4 sessions to complete it. But the main goal is to add color to kind of separate the main figure from the background, and to add more details and more shading and to bring it more into a sketchy style. So that's a pretty fun project. It was the first time I used color over black, and I was really curious to see how the pigments would stick. Currently the tattoo is healing, so I will definitely have an update for you in the next couple of weeks. So as for the Lady Gaga portrait, the most difficult part was actually the skirt and the boots, trying to make it look realistic and kind of a latex feel. The rest of the portrait was easy because I kind of simplified it and made it to match my style more, but I definitely struggled a bit with the skirt and the boot. And yeah, I think it turned out pretty cool. I approach my tattoo practices like I would approach any tattoo. I start from the bottom and work my way up. I try to finish small sections at a time and to not rush. So I hope you enjoyed this tattoo practice. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions regarding what tools I use or anything related to tattoos. And I'll let you enjoy the rest of the practice. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.